Hey guys, you sell on eBay and you want to know how to do automatic feedback? I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be really simple. It's all about automatic feedback. I'll show you the settings, how to do it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. And yes, you're trying to figure out how to do auto feedback on eBay. So yes, eBay did change their policies. Before, you used to have a premium store to get the auto feedback. They took it away. Now they gave it back. So how do you access that? How do you turn it back on? How do you even do it? It's not that complicated. It's actually very easy, and that'll stop you if you don't have to sit there and constantly give feedback. There's two different ways of doing it, and let's get to it right now. So what you want to do is get to the top of your eBay section here, and you want to go under your account settings. You'll see that right on top. And you'll see the account settings, and this is where all your information is running your business online. And you really want to just focus right here on selling, okay? And then when you get to selling, you want to go to selling preferences. Click on selling preferences. Now you'll see here automatic feedback. There it is right there. So what do? You click on the edit button, and now you click on the edit button. You can see here it's turned off by default because we did have it originally, and then we downgraded our store, and then they didn't have it anymore. Now they gave it back, so whatever. So this is how you turn it back on. So all you have to do is click on automatically leave feedback, and you have two different options here. Let's take a look at this together. So buyer has paid for the item. So what that means is once the item is paid for, it automatically gives feedback. And that seems to be the preference, the most preferred way of doing it, let's say. And then the other option is a buyer has paid for the item and then left you positive. But you know what? That whole positive game, negative game, it doesn't really matter anymore on eBay. You used to be able to leave negative feedbacks or negative comments. You can't do that anymore. You really can't. And that's really not good for your business anyway. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. So there's really no sense of doing that part, because if someone paid and you're waiting for the feedback and they're waiting for you to give them feedback, it can confuse the buyer, and you want to make it a really good experience for them on eBay. So I'm going to do is just, when the buyer has paid, they get the feedback they deserve because they purchased the item, they paid, they fulfilled their part of the bargain, their part of the contract, let's say. So they deserve the feedback right away. And if there's any issues after that, resolve them with the customer, fix it, whatever you have to do, always help the customer. So that's the first step. Okay, so now you know. The second step is that they have edit stored comments. So this is some stuff that I had before that's already pre-filled, but you can just highlight this and just write what you want. And what it does, it rotates through all these different comments you make, so it doesn't look like the same comment over and over and over. It gives some personality. It gives some just a little bit different spin on your comments, so people don't say, oh, this person leaves the same comment for everybody. So you can leave, I think it's 10 here. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 different comments that you can make, and it rotates it automatically. So that's really a good rule of thumb. So you want to save that. So once you fill all this in here, I already had this filled out from before, and you can put whatever you want, as far as you can really make it targeted for your product. If you have a niche product, thank you for purchasing my cosmetics, whatever it is. So you can kind of play with that. So that's what, once you fill in these once you fill in all these, and I recommend doing all 10, hit the save button. Okay, hit the save button. So you're not done yet. So you have to hit the save all. So everything, so automatic feedback is turned on. When buyer has paid, you filled all your comments and hit save. Now all your changes are saved. So what's going to happen? So every time someone purchases something, they're going to get the automatic feedback, which is going to make the buyer feel great. And as soon as they receive their item, they're going to give you feedback right back. So eBay is really a communication format, and it's fantastic, and it really works well. And I've been selling eBay for 23 years, and honestly, it is the most stable and most reliable platform on the market as far as I'm concerned. All right, guys, just want to make a quick video. If you have any questions or comments, leave down below. Also, if you enjoyed my content, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. It does help me out very much, so I can continue helping you out. And also check out all my other eBay tutorials. I have a link right here. You can see it. You can take a look at that link, and you can see everything that I have to offer as far as helping you with your eBay journey. If you have any questions or comments, again, leave down below. Hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified when the next video is ready. I do all types of different videos, so it's not just eBay. It's a little bit of everything, and I try to teach everybody a little bit of everything when it comes to learning, and that's what I do. Okay, guys, well, I appreciate it. Hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next review.